Hey everyone, if you want to get notified when your trades execute on Interactive Brokers, there are several ways to set it up depending on which platform you use. I'll walk you through each option so you can pick what works best for you. The first method is enabling push notifications on IBKR Mobile. From your mobile trading platform, tap the menu, followed by Settings, then tap Notifications. You'll see a toggle next to Trade Push Notifications. Tap it to enable. You'll now receive push notifications on all devices you're logged into. If your account is shared by multiple users, only the person who submitted the order will get the notification. If you're using Trader Workstation on desktop, the next method is enabling sound notifications. After launching TWS, navigate to File and then Global Configuration. From here, select Sound Manager in the left pane. You can set the profile to either voice, so you'll hear something like order filled, or switch it to non-voice, so only a sound plays. You can choose from the default sounds Interactive Brokers provides, or upload your own by clicking the three dots button on a given line. For example, if you wanted a custom sound when a closing order fills, check the box on the left to enable it, then click the three ellipses to upload your file. You'll hear the sound when the triggering event occurs. Still, in TWS, another option is configuring FYI notifications. Click the FYI button to view notifications. Then click the Configure Wrench icon at the top of the FYI window. Toggle the buttons off or on to configure what you want to see. A red badge will show how many unread FYI messages you have waiting. If that's not quite what you need, you can set up email or SMS alerts through Client Portal. Log into Client Portal, then click Settings, Communication, and Alert Notifications. Select your default alerting method from the destination dropdown. You can choose No Alerts if you don't want to receive them, or pick your email address. Click Save. You'll receive alerts at your selected email or SMS number. The last method is enabling Trade Confirmation Report notifications. Log into Client Portal and navigate to Settings, then Communication, where you should find notification defaults. You can choose to be notified by email with the report attached, by a message in the Client Service Message Center, or not at all. You can enable multiple notification types across platforms depending on your needs. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.